Hey everyone, as your Microsoft OneNote notebooks fill up with pages, finding a specific note can become challenging. Fortunately, OneNote includes a powerful search feature that helps you locate notes, keywords, tags, and even text inside many images. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to search your notes in Microsoft OneNote. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft OneNote and sign in if necessary. Then open the notebook where you want to search for information. The search feature works across individual pages, sections, notebooks, or even all of your notebooks, depending on your version of OneNote. Next, find the search bar. It's usually located near the top of the window or in the navigation pane. Click inside the search box to begin searching. Type a word or phrase that appears in your notes. OneNote immediately begins displaying matching results, including page titles and text that contains your search term. Click any result to jump directly to that page. OneNote highlights the matching word or phrase, making it easy to find the exact information you're looking for. Depending on your version of OneNote, search can also find tagged notes and recognize text inside many inserted images or PDF printouts. Yeah, that's incredibly useful when you're working with large notebooks or study materials. For even faster searching, give your pages descriptive titles and organize your notebooks with clear sections. So, combining good organization with OneNote's search feature helps you find information in just a few seconds. And that's how to search notes in Microsoft OneNote. With the built-in search tools, you can quickly find important information without scrolling through dozens of pages. I mean, once you start using search regularly, it's hard to imagine working without it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more OneNote tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.